Good morning, children. Today we are going with the sixth class, the landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Today we will be knowing how mountains are seen, or plateaus, hills, plains, and sea level or the sea. So if you look at this picture here, children, you can see here these are called as mountains. This is also a mountain. This is also a mountain. I said that mountains are the high elevated land, high areas, and then high areas. And if you see here, children, it is flat, like a flat surface, or it is also called as table like surface. You can see here the table like surface between mountains or hills, it is called as plateau. So it is table like surface, you can see it. And if you see it here, this is called as, children, this is called as a hill. Hill is smaller than a mountain. See here, mountain is very tall. See how high it is. But a hill is here. Hill. This is called as a hill. So mountains ke, hills ke, in between flat like surface. I was telling you all the time like this. Okay, hill. On the top a flat like surface is there. That's called as a plateau. So here hill ke, mountain ke, between flat like surface is there. This is called as a plateau. Okay, and this is a hill. This is smaller than a mountain. And again you got a flat like surface here, children. Flat like surface. Again flat like surface is nothing, it is a plateau. And you can see plain. These are called as plains. Plains are flat surface land. They are flat, no up and downs. Plateau is flat. Again here you have the high area and here you have the high area. In between it is there. But plains are plain. They are flat surface plains. And after plains you have here sea. Okay, sea level. This is sea level. So plains are higher than the sea level. Plateaus are still higher than the sea level. This is the sea level. This is the sea level. Okay. And how high they are, see? How high they are, see? How high? They are very high than the sea level. Okay. So my topic today is here, children, plains. To make you or give you a clarity, as I said, these are mountains, mountain, and here you have the plateau. Again you have the hill here. You can see the hill here. Again flat like surface, and then coming down, this is also a plateau, plain. These are called as plains, and then sea level. So my topic today is this, children, plains. What are plains? What are plains? Now let's go back to what are plains. Plains. Here, children, plains are the level lands or flat surface. Plains are level land. మనం ఇంటికాడ ఇట్టా లేకపోతే ఇట్టా రాళ్ళు ఉంటే వాటన్నిటిని సదవం చేస్తే ఇట్లా వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ లెవెల్ ల్యాండ్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫ్లాట్ surface land. So plains means level land or flat surface land. That's the meaning of a plain here, children. Flat surfaced, which is maximum height of 200 meters above the sea level. That's what I showed you before. Sea level is here and the plains are here. That means sea level is here. It is 200 meters above the sea level. So if I ask you a question here, how many meters is the plane higher than the sea level? Sea level kanna enta ettulo undi planes? Then you should say it is 200 meters. 200 meters above the sea level. This is another thing you have to remember about the plains. These are densely populated areas because of the fertile soil. Here children, densely populated, D-E-N-E-S-L-Y, densely, P-O-P-U-L-A-T-E-D, populated area. What is densely populated area? Densely populated means here children, more people live there. More people, they live in the plains because they are fertile. Fertile means rich in soil. Rich in soil. భూమిలో సారవంతముగా ఉంది అంటే crops can be grown. So people go there, they stay. Most of the people, they live there. That's why more people live. That's the meaning of a populated area. The plains are highly productive. Plains are highly, P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-V-E, productive. The meaning of productive here, children, more production you get. Take the example. In our area, if you are growing a paddy means children, ori panta. మనకి 25 బస్తాలు పండితే వా గుడ్ యు సే. బట్ ఇన్ ప్లెయిన్ చిల్డ్రన్ the productivity is more. It can be 30-35 bags of paddy give. Because why plains will give more production is that the soil is fertile, very rich soil. So that's why the production is very high in plains. That's the meaning of highly productive. Next one. Construction of transport is also easy in plains. Okay, construction of transport construction is easy. Why transportation construction is easy? And here children, plains are లెవెల్ ల్యాండ్. లెవెల్, మనం ఇల్లు కట్టుకోవాలంటే ఒక ఎత్తైన ప్రదేశం మీద ఇల్లు కట్టుకోవాలంటే అంత సదరం చేస్తాం, సదరం. దట్స్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ లెవెల్ ల్యాండ్. ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈజీ, రోడ్స్ లేయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఈజీ బికాస్ ప్లేన్స్ ఆర్ లెవెల్ ల్యాండ్ ఆర్ ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ ల్యాండ్ ఆన్ ద సర్ఫేస్. సో రోడ్ వేయటానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, ఏమి తవ్వ అవసరం లేదు, ఏమి గుంటలు బోడవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. They lay it very nicely because they are level lands. That's why transportation is very easy in plains, children. And also it is said here children, the plains are more suitable, okay, suitable areas for human inhabitation. Inhabitation, I-N-H-A-B-I-T-A-T-I-O-N, inhabitation means living. Most of the people, they live here children in the plains because it is very suitable area for people to live. Okay, and it is said here children, it is also easy to build houses in plains. It is very easy because it is a sand, it is a black soil which you can dig it easily and make pillars and you can build your house. If it is a rocky area, you have to dig it because you have to break the stones, you have to break the rocks if you want to make a pillar go inside, and then it takes a lot of time. So plains low building house is also very easy. Okay, as well as cultivation of different crops also easy in plain children. And several small delta plains are also found in the river course of India. In the river course of India, where there are rivers, many crops can be grown here in the delta area. Deltas means main river Munshi. For example, this is a main river. Water is going from here. Small rivers, they come out from the main river. If any in India, many delta courses low, many crops can be grown here. Crops can be grown, and from here they go and fall in the sea. The river water go and fall in the sea. Before going and falling in the sea, the small rivers come from the main river. This is called as a delta, children. Here it's telling in India, several small deltas are there where many crops are grown. Okay, this is about plain, children. Let's have the recapitulation what we had. Plains. What are plains? Plains means level land or flat surface land. Okay, plains are 200 meters above the sea level. Okay, densely populated area. More people live in plains. Why? Because it is a fertile. Fertile means rich in soil. Bhumilo saravantam undadam. Okay, here plains low high productivity. More production you get it from plains because they are very good soil. Transportation is easy or laying of roads is easy because they are plains. Inhabitation. More people live there because there are suitable conditions are there in the plains for people to live, so people live there. Easy building houses. In plains, it is very easy to build houses. And it is also said many small delta plains are also there in India where people live there. This is about plain, children. I have two more questions here. Think and respond. The construction of roads easy in plains. Give reasons. Construction is very easy in plains. Give some reasons. I said plains. Why constructions of roads easy? Because first point is this. They are level lands. This is one reason why easy to construct roads, and it is easy because the surface is flat. It is flat. That's why laying of roads is laying of roads is easy because the plains land is a level land and it is flat surface land, so it is easy to lay the roads. That's the first question. Next one. Why are plains are densely populated? Give two reasons. Why more people live there, densely populated? Give two reasons. You can say plains are suitable to construct buildings as well as construction, as well as cultivation. Plains are more suitable for constructing of buildings. ఎక్కువగా ఇళ్ళు కట్టుకోవడానికి అనుకూలంగా ఉంది కాబట్టి చాలా మంది అక్కడ నివసిస్తారు. అక్కడ పంటలు బాగా పండిస్తారు కాబట్టి people live there. So you can say simply, plains are more suitable to construct houses as well as cultivation. That's number one. And the second point here is that transportation facilities are plenty. Transportation facilities, అందుకనే they get many they get the work there because crops are growing there, fruits are growing there, vegetables are growing there, so all that they have to take it to marketplace, to the cities or towns. So if they want to take it their children, what they need is a transport. If transport is there, people get the work too for loading and unloading. That's why more people live there, loading, unloading. They get some money, with that they live. So these are the two reasons. Constructions are more suitable of buildings as well as cultivation. Other point is transportation facilities are plenty. That is another reason. Why more people live. Third question. Which type of soils are suitable for cultivation? Which types of soils are suitable for cultivation, children? So you can say in the last class we talked about some kinds of soils. One is black soil. That is one soil which is good for cultivation of crops. Nutrient. Nutrient, nutrient soil. This is another soil which is good for growing of crops. Okay, black soil is one, nutrient soil is another one. Very important soil is fertile and alluvial. Fertile and alluvial, alluvial soil, alluvial, alluvial soil. This is also very good soil for growing of crops because they hold the capacity of soil more suitable for growing crops. These three soils are good for growing crops. One is black soil, second one is nutrient soil, third one is fertile and alluvial soil, alluvial, alluvial soil. These soils are very good for growing of crops. The last question we have, think and respond lo. Look at the picture of mountains, plains and plateaus and identify which of them is similar to your region. మనం మౌంటైన్స్ని, హిల్స్ని ఇటన్ని చూసుకుంటే మనము ఏ ప్రదేశంలో ఉన్నాము, ఇన్ విచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేస్ వీఆర్ లివింగ్. ఆర్ వి లివింగ్ ఇన్ మౌంటైన్ రీజియన్ ఏరియా, ఆర్ యూ లివింగ్ ఇన్ హిల్లీ రీజియన్ ఏరియా, ఆర్ యూ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ప్లెయిన్ రీజియన్. మనమైతే ప్లెయిన్ ఏరియాలో ఉన్నాము. మన చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న పొలాలన్నీ కూడా చదరముగా ఉన్నాయి, మన ఇళ్ళన్నీ కూడా చదరముగా ఉన్న ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ ల్యాండ్ మీద ఉన్నాం. ఓకే, ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్డ్ ఆర్ లెవెల్ సర్ఫేస్డ్ మన ఇళ్ళు, మన పొలాలు అన్నీ కూడా ఇట్లానే ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వీఆర్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ plains. We are living in plains. This is what for today, children. The remaining we'll have it tomorrow. Thank you.